In today's video, I will walk you through how to add comments to a Telegram channel. If you want your Telegram channel to be more interactive, you can add a discussion group so subscribers can comment on your channel posts. First, open up Telegram and click into your channel. Look up at the top right of the chat window and click the three-dot menu icon. On the drop-down menu, select Manage Channel. That's going to unlock all your administrative settings, where you can change the channel's core configuration. In that Settings menu, look for the option labeled Discussion and click on it. Telegram is going to ask you to select or create a group where all your post comments will actually live. If you don't already have a separate group set up, just click Create a New Group. Give it a quick name, like your channel name followed by Chat, and hit Create. This automatically pairs a discussion group to your broadcast channel, so every time you post an update, a neat little comment section gets tied to it. Once that's done, you'll see a Leave a Comment button right under your posts, and you can manage moderation right from your desktop. If this quick walkthrough made setting up your channel easier, hit that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any other desktop questions. See you in the next one.